Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bitget to Bitget wallet. Now, if you're looking to send your crypto from your Bitget, being the Bitget exchange, all you need to do is simply open up your Bitget exchange. Once you've opened up the Bitget exchange, please make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on the Bitget exchange, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So you are on the Bitget exchange. How can you withdraw to your Bitget wallet? Head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll through and select the USDT. Once you've selected the USDT as the crypto you wish to send, make sure you have an available balance. Now, simply click on the withdraw option and select on-chain withdrawal, as we're going to be withdrawing to an external address. And the network has been set to TRC20. You could move from TRC20 to any network of your choice, like the Binance Smart Chain. So when you click on the BEP20, enter the withdrawal address from your Bitget wallet, and then enter the amount you wish to withdraw and click on withdraw. You can then get your crypto out. So minimize and open up the Bitget wallet. Once it's been opened, when you have the receive icon, simply click on receive. Scroll through and find your USDT on the BEP20, copy your address, minimize and open up the Bitget exchange, paste your address there, enter the amount you wish to send, and then simply click on withdraw. By doing so, you get to withdraw your cryptocurrency from the Bitget application over to your Bitget wallet. And when you minimize and open up the Bitget wallet, head to the main menu and perform a reload. You'd find your USDT directly on the Bitget platform. So guys, that's how you can easily send USDT from the Bitget exchange to the wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.